I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study computer science. Begin by grasping the foundational concepts of computer systems, including hardware components and software functions. Dedicate time to understanding basic programming logic, which forms the backbone of all coding. Consistent practice with fundamental algorithms and data structures is crucial for problem-solving skills. Make sure to regularly review key definitions and terminology to solidify your understanding. Practical application is vital for mastering computer science. Start by writing simple programs frequently. This reinforces your understanding of concepts. Learning to debug your code effectively helps you identify and fix errors, a critical skill. Work on small, manageable projects to apply theoretical knowledge in real-world scenarios. Collaborating with peers on coding challenges can also provide new perspectives and improve your problem-solving abilities. Employ smart study methods to maximize your learning. Break down complex topics into smaller, more manageable parts, making them easier to digest. Utilize flowcharts and diagrams to visualize processes and data flow, which aids comprehension. A powerful technique is to teach concepts to others. This significantly deepens your own understanding. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes, to maintain optimal focus and prevent burnout. Leverage a variety of resources for continuous learning. Make use of online tutorials and educational platforms, which offer diverse learning styles. Always refer to your textbooks and official documentation for accurate and detailed information. Solving past papers and sample questions is an excellent way to prepare for assessments and understand common problem types. Finally, stay updated with new technologies and trends to keep your knowledge current and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.